Hello, everyone. Welcome, welcome, welcome. This is my live, where we'll be talking about the 7 day content planner. For those of you who are watching on the replay, if you can please share this live with 10 people, I would greatly, greatly appreciate it. Um, 10 people who you know will benefit from this information, who may have, they just started a small business. They are just having trouble with, their social media content. You don't even have to say anything. Maybe it's just a friend or a stranger that you see that you want to do well. Share it with them, send them this live and help them out. All right. So, for those of you who are sharing with small businesses, if you can tag, if you're a small business, tag your small business below. If you're not a small business, tag another small business below. Even if this is on the replay, tag them down below. All right. And also, if you're having any content creation issues, comment down below what issues you're having and I can help you out. All right. So yeah. I'm all like, yeah. So, guys, my name is Stephanie Jones from StephanieJ.shop. I am the content queen, darling. Honestly, let me just tell you guys a little backstory real quick before I get into the information. So, I was talking to my business partner, my friend. Business partner sounds so, but still my friend. And she loves what I post. I always talk to, other people always tell me like, oh, I love your content, I love what you post and this and that. Never took it serious. Then I talked to my business partner and she was just like, girl, you are the content queen. Like, and I'm just like, are you sure? Are you serious? Like, I know, I always, have different businesses. It's like if something is not working, I'm moving on. I like things that work, okay? And that's why I created the 7 day content planner. And so everything in here I've tested out. Like I know that it works, okay? So, anyways, she was like, you the content queen. This now I'm like, are you sure? Like, I don't know if I want to call myself the content queen. You feel me? That's a heavy crown to hold. You feel me? But I went ahead and decided to go with it. And I guess I if I'm not the queen now, I'm the Q. So I'm getting the UEEN, okay, under my belt. So if you don't look at me as a content queen, that's all right. That's okay. Because guess what? Whatever you need to know, I will figure it out. And that does make me a queen. And so can you, okay? You can be a queen of this thing too. But let's get into this. I'll start rambling. Guys, what is the 7 day content planner and why do you need it? Before I move into that, I want to share with you. Oh, my other slide is not up. Anyways, I want to share with you that the 7 day content planner comes with a target marketing class. Now, the 7 day content planner can work, for you if you don't know your target market, but it won't work as well as it could work for you. And that's why I decided to give you guys the target marketing course for free. In that course, you get a free download to create your buyer's persona. And in the video, you download you could download it or you can just write it on a piece of paper, but you can download it and you know, write all the little, all your information out. And as you watch the course, you can go along with me in the video. And so that is going to take your content creation to a whole nother level, guys. I've spent a lot of money, okay, trying to figure this thing out, and I'm one of those people. It's like, if I can do something to help people that come after me or that's trying to figure something out, I am going to do that. So, anyways, why do you need the 7-day content planner? Well, we're all in business to make money, right? Give me like a thumbs up, a heart, or something. We all in business to make money. Some of us are in business to make money while we go to school. We here to make passive income, right? So here to while we go to school, while we sleep, while we at our full-time, our part-time job. We started our small business to make money. So with that being said, you can create and plan content for a whole week or more with the content planner. So yeah, it's a 7-day content planner, but you can create, you can use this information over and over again, which brings me to say the monthly planner is coming out soon and the year planner will be coming out soon as well. I am hoping to launch that by November 1st. Okay, I'm trying to get that out by November 1st, all right? So you guys can, those of you who want to purchase, the monthly planner and plan out months at a time, it can help you with that. Or you want to even plan out a whole year at a time. You know what I'm saying? Your events, your launch, all those things. All right? So, if you are wanting to make money while you sleep, how you think you're going to do that? You got to create the content, and then you get apps like Hootsuite, Buffer, what is it? Planoly is like Monopoly, but Planoly. And you put your creations, the content that you've created, you put it in there, you preload it in there, you set it to the time that you want it to go. Okay, you set it to what you wanted to say, which we're gonna talk about that later. And it automatically goes. Okay, so another benefit of the 7-day content planner is it helps you to create posts, stories, reels, carousels, highlights, and IGTVs that are engaging. And if you don't know what engaging are, for some of you, like, okay, what do you mean engaging? Engaging meaning people want to share, people want to like, people want to save, and they want to follow you. So that means, like, if they doing all that, they're going to follow you. Okay. And the benefits of engagement, it plays into the algorithm. Okay. And I'm going to have a video about the algorithm that's coming up. So the algorithm is very important. That's on all social media platforms. They go off an algorithm. And then even with the algorithm, you have to be consistent so the algorithm can pick you up. So if you're not consistent, it's like, okay, whatever, we're leaving her behind. Oh, this person posts all the time. And you can post all the time when you're taking the thinking out of it. When you can look at your planner and say, okay, today is this day. And the way I set it up, which, shout out to my homegirl Accessories by Tatiana. Y'all always post her. So I might have said her name wrong, but I always post her. So you can always go look her up. She's a business consultant. Go check her out. So, what was I saying? I'm sorry, guys. So basically the algorithm, I forgot what I was saying. I lost my little place there, but the algorithm will pick you up, if you're consistently posting. Oh, that's what I was saying. So she was telling me how, like, wow, it takes the thinking out of it. Like, all you have to do is know the day and you're going to know automatically, okay, this is what I post today. You feel me? So, for those of you who, I used to be so insecure, like, I don't know if, people probably already know all this stuff. But I had to tell myself, man, it's people out here that don't know nothing about social media. So the information that I give is not only helpful for a beginner on social media, but it's helpful for somebody who has been in business, that, yeah, in their mind, they're like, yeah, I'm in business to make money, but they're not making no money. You know what I'm saying? They feel like, oh, this is how business is supposed to be. And no, it's not. It's not. So you're not supposed to just sit up on social media all day trying to make the sale. Just posting, 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 posting. And nobody's liking it. All you seeing is your family and friends looking and lurking and ain't saying nothing. You get what I'm saying? Ain't nobody said congratulations. Ain't nobody liked. Ain't nobody done. Which, go look at my prospecting video, okay? And you gonna see what I talk about when it comes to family and friends. So don't be too much bothered by that. Just be grateful for the fact that they are looking. You know what I'm saying? Because that's still views. You get me? Okay. So the another thing that another benefit here is that the 7-day content planner will help you ask for the sale. Guys, some of you don't ask for the sale. You'll just post something and won't put nothing in the bottom, or just put, link in the bio, which I'm not judging, because guess what? I used to do that too. So you have to put a call to action at the bottom of your post. Okay, and I explained that in the 7-day content planner. What a call to action is. What should it have in it? You know? And so, guys, whenever you're posting, you're either doing a post on your feed, stories, your reel, your carousels, your highlights, your IGTVs, anything. If you're not, first of all, if you're not, you're needing to use if you're on Instagram, you need to use all of that. Okay. And even though you can use the 7-day content planner on different platforms, I feel like it's most beneficial on Instagram. Okay. And again, I've purchased other, content planners where it's like, oh my gosh, like if I would have paid more for this, I would have been angry. I would have been angry because it's like in this Excel form, and it's like, what, like you could just tell they threw it together. I took my time with the 7 days content planner, and that's another reason why I'm not rushing the monthly planner, because I want to make sure that the information that's in there is legit and it works. You know what I'm saying? It's going to be an extension of the 7-day content planner, but it's going to be even broader. Okay. The yearly planner, even bigger. Okay. So we can start making money in our business. We're not in business just to say, I am a business owner. We are in business to say, I make money in my business. I could quit my job now. I could pay my bills now. You know, I can take my family on vacation now. There's no, saving up, 2-3 months before your baby's birthday to get them together and get to have them a party. It's going to be like, I know I got it because I'm consistently working, and I'm taking breaks, of course, but I'm successful in what I do. Okay. And I'm not just doing everything in my business is strategic. I'm not just sitting around, posting and hoping and wishing. I'm getting the education, taking action, and making progress. Sometimes, guys, I think so many of us are not used to having progress that we feel like it should be like that. You get what I'm saying? And look, I always forget to change the little slides. But, so anyways, guys, my link is in the bio. Okay, the link is in the bio. You can head over to stephaniej.shop, which it will be public in like probably a couple hours after you guys see this. If you're watching this tomorrow, you guys can go to stephaniej.shop, or you can just click the link in the bio to purchase the 7-day content planner. When you purchase the 7-day content planner, do not forget to press return to merchant. Okay. So you're going to pay for it. It's only $10. You're going to pay for it. And then you're going to press return to merchant. And that's where you're going to be linked to my landing page, and you could enter all the information and get your free class in your 7-day content planner. I hope this helped, guys. I really do. I'm enjoying doing, these videos for you guys. So let me know, even on the replay, if this helped you. Okay. If it did, let me know. Even if I know you. I know a lot of you that I know, you guys come in my inbox and you guys tell me how much I help you, but I would like for you to help me as well, and comment down below on my post so people can see that it's real. You know how I've helped a lot of businesses, and it's crazy because it's all in secret. Like, don't nobody want you to know that I helped or something. I don't know. But it's like, whatever you put out, that's what you will receive. Remember that, guys. In business, whatever you put out, you will receive. So if you holding back, people gonna hold back from you. All right. If you are open and sharing information and liking and sharing and subscribing, people are going to do that to you in your business. Okay. Now, I do have people that show love and share information. Don't think, you know what I'm saying? But I'm talking for those of you who are in my inbox and who be getting my little, you know what I'm saying? Getting the information for the free 99. And you know what I'm saying? All I ask is that you like, share, and not all of you, because some of you do show love. You know what I'm saying? Some of y'all, as soon as I put out the 7-day content planner, y'all bought it. So shout out to you. Okay. Shout out to you. So thank you so, so much. That's not everybody who I'm talking about. All right. But anyways, I love you guys. All right. I will talk to you soon, and I will see you in my next video. StephanieJ.shop, or click the link in the bio to get your 7-day content planner. Trust me, it will change your life. All right. Make more money,